think I'm ready for a mid-year reset with my planner and supplies. So my current planner is a DIY cover that I created, and it's got about 3 months per planner, and this is pretty big. I think these are like the medium-sized discs, and most of the time it sits out on my desk with the week view open, and you can see I've already started planning August and September. So I'm kind of ahead just because of design team things and that kind of thing. But I think I want a change of pace. So I purchased the Happy box from Happy Planner, and it actually came with a whole bunch of stuff. And look at how cute this tissue paper is. Now I've already opened it and looked at it, so we're just gonna kind of review what we get. We get this cute little postcard, mini notebook, and each of these is different. And I love the mini size for the notebook. That's actually what I used to keep my scrapbooking ideas in. Now I have to like kind of come up with it on the fly. You get 2 bookmarks, which I think are adorable. You get a sticker book, which is amazing. It's both the characters, not just Stitch. I do have another sticker book that is just Stitch, and it is super cute, and I think it would look really good with this. This one is just a sticker book, and it's Aloha Stitch, and the colors match perfectly with this. I think there's more orange in this one and the yellow, and this one's a little bit more limey colored. But again, I've used it a lot because I think it's so cute. Great boxes and that kind of thing, and it's got some blue foil in it. So these are awesome. Remember, this is something I already had. This is the addition to this box. And then you get a silicone pencil holder, and I'm kind of wondering if this is going to melt in the sun. But then you also get metal discs. You get 11 of them, so you can do a big Happy Planner, not just the classic or mini. And then you get a dashboard. I did not open this one yet because I'm not sure if I'm going to use it yet or not. You get note paper, which is kind of interesting. It's dot lines and then a dot grid. So that's cute. And I love this attention to detail on the side and the inside edge. And then you get a cute folder, cute and spicy. And then the piece de resistance is the dare to begin. So I am actually going to break this down, and we're going to use it together. So this is called a deluxe cover. And what's really neat about this is it's a printed leather, it feels like, on both sides. And then they stitched it together, which I think is super cute because his name is Stitch. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You get 12 months blank with the classic vertical style. Now, what I've noticed that I really like is the checklist style, but you could totally make this on your own. And what I mean by checklist style is, if I take a look here, the middle bit has a checklist. And I really, really like that. So I'm going to transition this into my new cover. And I'm actually going to use the metal discs to do that. Just because I think they're extra fun. These are just plastic, regular heart discs that are gold shimmer. So why not use the metal discs that are Stitch? I think that's super fun. And I'm really happy. Like, I needed a little bit of a boost. I felt like when it came to just my planner, I was just kind of bored of it. I didn't really want to make a new cover. I wasn't feeling all the other covers, but when I saw this one, I don't want to break this at all. It's kind of ripping into the, that's a bummer. It kind of ripped into some of the leather. So it's not as sturdy as I would like. I don't know if there's a better way to do this. With the plastic, you can just like rip it off, not worry about it. But you can really see the damage that it took just taking this off. Bummer. So I'll probably use the guts because look at the detail on these. Look at how cute that is. And each week has a different graphic right here, which is a lot of fun. I just think that's adorable. Perfect for summer. Now, I'm not going to really use these pages until August, so it is what it is. And the covers for the month are super cute. Now, I don't really pay attention to the covers because like I said, I keep my planner in the weekly spread view on my desk. And if I were to flip to the month, you don't actually see this, you see this side. so I don't ever really look at this, but they're just so cute. I love it. It was a good little happy gift for myself. Okay, so let's get these on. Hopefully this is easier and less damaging than taking them off was. I'm kind of sad that it was so damaging. Oh, I love metal discs though. They just seem like they're gonna hold up more. And I think that's what everybody says. And so they're way more expensive than the plastic. Now don't get me wrong, I definitely have plastic discs. I got a ton of plastic expander discs. I don't think they intended you to take it apart like this, but oh, look at the purple. Oh, that's so exciting. Okay. So I want this in front, question mark, either front or back. Since it's right here, I'm gonna put it in the front. Okay. And then I made my own bookmark because I was noticing with the traditional bookmarks, I wasn't actually looking at the previous page. So this is my July, August, and it's just this part. And I used other guts to get this. So August and September are done. And I kind of went with a theme. So I'm not going to use the monthly tabs out of my thing, because I already made these, and I ordered this after I had made these, so it's like, oh well. Okay, so July is not going to have the Stitch themed pages, but August and September are. So let's grab a month here. How am I gonna do this? I might just not do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And I'm just picking the front because it's easier to remember what you used and what you haven't used. Okay, next is projects, which I definitely need because this is where I keep exactly what's going on every month and that kind of thing. So let's see. And now I keep both my Scrappy Life projects and my Home Life projects in here. And I made this monthly overview so that I can plan my projects accordingly, and they fit my sticky notes perfectly so I can move them around if I need to. Okay, so that is done. And I like having this just like a year at a glance. Okay, that's old this in case I need some more ID. Keep this, might keep this one. I was thinking about starting a planner business at one point, and these were my ideas for pages. No. Cool. Well, that eliminated a ton of stuff. And then I like keeping blank pages in here. So say I have like a really busy day coming up. I love these daily task lists with the extra bit on the back. And then I've got blank pages here. And I use this dashboard. And you can see I've got the year at a glance, the dot grid, the whatchamacallit, some checklists, and then I'm going to add the just regular plain notebook paper on my kit. I think that's super cute. Might as well keep with the theme. All right. Now, what I could do is kind of change up these a little bit. You know what? I might only do a couple of these pages. I don't need a full notebook. Beautiful. So this is going to go in like my extras that I have in my organization system. And then I've got budget and redating guide and then extra stuff that I don't know that I'm going to put in here again. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute. July, August, September. And I think this is appropriate amount. I probably could go in and add the individual sheets for each of the months. I guess I did that. I already did that. So yeah, this is really good. I could probably add more and be fine because I've got quite more space. But that's my new planner set. I'm really excited. I'm going to use these. I'm going to put this in July. Actually, no. This one in July. And then this one is going to go the week that I'm in. So I'm going to try out these again and see how they do when I get to the later half of the week. So yeah, really exciting. Love getting a new planner. Love setting it up. It refreshes me, reminds me that I need to use my planner to get things done. If you use a planner, let me know in the comments. Do you use a happy planner or something completely different? I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.